sensitive question here for men. Most ulama will tell you this, that a man cannot wear underwear or any undergarment under the ihram. However, we have sahih isnad turuq from Bukhari, Sayyida Aisha telling her workers, men, said, when you men don't wear undergarment, it's dangerous. I don't want any drama here. Because ihram, they didn't have belts and these things, wear the underwear. Nobody gave a sacrifice for penalty. Problem is, many of our scholars these days, any mistake happen, give a sacrifice. Give a nusuk, give a sacrifice, penalty. And you will see online fatwas, they'll tell you, if a man ended up wearing an undergarment under ihram, he's allowed, but he has to give a dam. Our mother didn't do that. She instructed the servants, her servants, khuddam, that you must wear it. Subhanallah, they used to call it the langot at that time, the underwear of men. Salman al-Farsi, radiallahu anhu, I have his sahih, with sahih isnad. I researched over this issue. He wore undergarments, allowed. Alhamdulillah. So men are allowed to wear undergarments if it's necessary. Don't worry about it. Believe me, by the way, for me, it's difficult to manage ihram with an undergarment. Wherever you are, bismillah, go in the bathroom, come out, wash yourself clean. If you are wearing underwear and ihram, you have to watch for two things. It's difficult. So it's not easy, but sometimes you don't want, people who have urinary incontinence, they are afraid that they don't want to make haram or some clean place dirty because of urine drops. Then what? Wear it. And don't worry, you don't have to give them. You don't have to give. Them means blood, sacrifice, penalty, a sheep or lamb. You don't have to. There's nothing on that. Our mother Aisha radiallahu anha, she did many hajj. Any other final questions?